Hello, this is Ava, and today I'm gonna do a squishy show, and it's gonna be a lots of fun. Hope you like it. So, I have the squishy that you have, and I don't know where you got it. I messed it up a little bit, but that's okay. And I got this little box that you put stuff inside. And there's the stuff that are inside. And then see, I bought it because I like this little bow tie. And it's super squishy. And I got this little ice cream cone. You remember that? When I got it at the store. Yeah. Super squishy. To me, anyway. And I got this little panda bear, you remember? I don't like really that squishy ones, but I do like the hamburger one because it's very squishy. And I got this little one, and now we were trying to see who it is from the movie. I don't know her name. And these are super squishy. And remember the cupcake that the top came off of? But it's good because it's super regular. And it has a things on it. And I got this cupcake that I bought at the store too. It looks super beautiful. I had to get it because there's a cherry at the top and there's a flower right there. So, let's put it right there. And you remember the tofu? You remember the tofu that I got? The tofu that has a smile face? I love it. And yeah, so. And that's all. And that is my video. Okay? Done. Which button do I press?
Square.
The square? Okay.